everyone, it's day number, can you say 14?
B?
We just did it in rehearsal perfectly. It's day number 14 of Vlogmas. See you in a bit. Here you go, darling. Oh, the blueberries are running. Well, this is going down a storm, isn't it? What's it called, B? A fruit plate? Oh, yum, yum, yum. So another day, another playground. This is the Waterloo Park playground and it's so lovely. And this is the adventure bit and then we're going to go to the actual playground. Hello, sweetheart.
What's that noise?
Hello, Pigeon. Don't worry. B won't hurt you. She just wants to say hello.
What noise is he making, B?
Cool. Cool. Hi, bud. That's amazing. Oh, well done, B. 1, 2, 3.
Here we go.
Well done, B.
Just did it on your own.
Well done, darling.
2, 3.
Hello.
1.
Oh.
2. Holding on, hold on.
Say stop if you want, darling.
Daddy, when you go past. You ready? Hello. 1, 2. Penguin.
Oh, penguins.
Shall I stop here? Stop. This is your stop for the penguins. Hello. Hello, my darling. Hello, B. Should we do the advent calendar? Oh. Come on then.
Come on, Daddy.
Go on, B. After you.
Come on, Daddy. B, what number is this?
40.
14.
Good.
Very good. And where's 14? You're very close. So this one's 13. And after 13 is
40.
So look, they're in order, B. So there's 13. So here, which one's here? What are you?
It's difficult to see. Yes, you've got to crouch down, haven't you?
Can you see it? What does that say? What does this one say?
40. Good.
Oh, what's inside it, B?
Do you want Mummy to read it?
Shall I read it, sweetheart? Okay, are you ready? Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. It's day 14.
Good.
And
Sit down with Mummy.
Come here, B. You don't know where it is yet. B, you don't know where it is, darling. B. It's just off.
I'll go and find. Beatrix, Mummy's reading you the clue for where your advent is. Do you want to come and hear the rest of the clue? Come on, Mummy's reading it for you.
Mommy.
Yeah, do you want me to finish reading?
Can you ask her to read it?
What?
So it's day 14 and another for the team. So go check your crayons, get your nuts and acorns, as another squirrel's coming as red as you've ever seen.
Oh, baby, where are your crayons?
Look at, where are your crayons? Nope.
What's in the crayons?
What's in the crayons. Look down here at your crayons. What's there?
Oh, what's that? What is it? What is it? A squirrel. It's a little orange squirrel.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Bee. What a character.
That was a rather surreal advent calendar today.
Day 14.
Hello, Mommy.
Oh, hello, darling. What have you got in your hand? Hello, little squirrel. So Daddy's making some Cricut stuff so that we've got some felt snowmen for our felt scene in the corridor. And yeah, we got a Cricut maker this year, which we're a bit obsessed with. And probably Christmas was like one of the main reasons we got it. To make lots of Christmassy things. So it's very exciting and we can't wait to begin.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, go.
Ooh!
What's going to happen?
Oh,
Here it goes.
printing Christmas, printing Christmas.
Oh, it's cutting. So do you know what it's going to cut out? Some snowmen.
Hi guys. So we have just found out the news that London is going into tier 3 restrictions on Wednesday. So I mean, you know, we're all making plans at the moment and having them cancelled, so it's no surprise that we're not going to go to the farm on Wednesday that we planned, and we're not going to go on the Christmas train. So all the things that we thought would be fun and festive for B, not going to happen. They're cancelled. We can't do it. So it's really sad. I'm trying not to let it get to me, but to be honest, it is a bit. It's just not a good year, is it, guys? It's just not a good year. So I consider myself incredibly lucky because I've got this barrel of energy and spirit and joy right behind me, sitting there just being cute and amazing. And I consider myself so lucky that she's at an age where this hasn't affected her very much because she doesn't know what she's missing, and she's just so joyful that it's helped so much. And I just basically just wanted to send all my love to people that are really struggling through this, because I cannot complain. I really can't. I've been very, very lucky, and I just want to send a huge hug to everyone, because I know I know how bad it's got for some people and for some of you as well, and can't really talk about it without getting all emotional, and I said I wouldn't cry this Vlogmas, but I'm just giving you love. Okay, so Stephen's doing a mystery black felt thing in the Cricut, and some bits didn't cut properly, so I'm just kind of cutting around them to make them look pretty. But there's a snowflake, and I'm just cutting another snowflake at the moment. And where are the snowmen, B? B? I keep calling just everyone B now. Let's see the snowmen. Ooh! Oh, that's so cool. They look great. So yeah, that's what we're up to. Got Vlogmas uploading. Another crazy netting.